Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to tell you why should you use DaVinci Resolve. First of all, there are lots of editing softwares out there. So the question you might have is why DaVinci Resolve? Why not Adobe Premiere? Why not Final Cut Pro? Why not Filmora Go? And why not another editing software? Why should you edit in DaVinci Resolve? There are a few benefits DaVinci has over other editing softwares, and that's the main reason why I choose to edit in DaVinci. Now, first of all, DaVinci Resolve is free. If you're looking forward to editing your videos without using their more premium features, which are a few actually, they're not that important. So if you're looking forward a free version of an editing software, DaVinci is for you. It's totally free and you can download it from their official site and start editing right away. It doesn't require any fees or anything else rather than completing a formula and simply downloading the program. But that's of course not the biggest reason why DaVinci is the best editing software on the market. So the second biggest reason why you should edit in DaVinci Resolve is the fact that you don't need to change softwares. What I mean by that is, for example, take Adobe Premiere. If you want to do some effects, if you want to add some effects to your video, you would have to edit your video in Adobe Premiere, and after that you would need to change your software. You would need to enter into Adobe After Effects. Now with DaVinci, that's not the case. You have 7 tabs and all you have to do is change between them. You don't have to get into another software, you just need DaVinci Resolve and that's it. You can change between tabs. You can change between Edit tab, Media tab, Fusion tab, Color Grading tab, and Delivering tab, and all of that is very easy. So DaVinci Resolve is very time efficient. It's fast to change between tabs and you don't have to enter another tab if you want to add some effects or something like that. And also, even though it's free, it has the same, even more options and features than its competitors such as Final Cut Pro or Adobe Premiere. First of all, you've got so many features you can choose from that there are lots of Hollywood movies, and in general, there are lots of movies that start being edited on DaVinci Resolve because DaVinci Resolve is very time efficient, it's very user-friendly, and it's also a very professional tool. If you understand how to use it, you can transform it into a very professional tool. You could become a movie editor and still edit in DaVinci Resolve because it's the best you can get on the market. So these are some of the main reasons why I think you should edit in DaVinci Resolve. I mean, it's far more superior than most of the editing softwares, and at the same time it's free, so what more would you want? I hope I have convinced you into using only DaVinci Resolve. See you in the next video and all the best to you.